my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a beautiful table setting that you can use for summer or any other occasion.
The rain of looking away, you're who you are.
Glasses are from the thrift store, and today I'm going to use 8 of them. If you want to recreate the look, you can use as many as you want, or you may use other glasses, but me, I like this one. I find them for good price at the thrift store.
Say what you feel, say anything. I'ma hold on till I can.
Guys, if you want to recreate an expensive look on budget, this one is the best option. I'm using this as a make-believe resin. So guys, you know, I always make everything work without breaking the bank, and this one I can reuse them and put it back in the container, reuse them over and over and still look pretty. The flowers from Amazon. Be sure to check the description box down below, guys. I'm going to try my best to leave everything in the description box down below for you if you want to recreate the look.
Say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come on.
I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, what's stopping you from subscribing, huh? And to all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Si c'est la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille et amis. Et si vous pas la première fois, moi je vous remercie un peu parce que toujours retournez venir supporter moi.
Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land where all the things you want to feel you are. Chase that morning, close your eyes. You wanna wake up where there's no goodbyes, and all your numbered days return to one. So I'll just stop and say what you will.
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager, guys. Et à tous mes abonnés, merci beaucoup pour votre support. Je vous aime.
I punch in my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work and I play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. 'Cause every time the push comes too sharp, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all. Don't care what you think or what you believe, 'cause I'm gonna turn the world upside down. If you want a shot, just step in the ring.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to smash me some thumbs up and share it. Okay guys, look to see my resin dope. It's so beautiful. Make believe it's so real, guys. I can promise you, if you recreate it, you will see all those expensive things at other store. You can recreate them on budget. And also guys, you're going to see the night, day, with light on, with light off, with the candles, all of them light up. And guys, let me know in the comment down below which part do you like better.
Underground for so long, in the dark, I forgot how the sunlight feels. Hidden just out of reach, down below, waiting for time to reveal 100 new colors in me. Even if it takes 100,000 years to finally shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. Rough around every edge, but unbreakable. Every flaw tells a story. The rarity, the clarity, it's priceless and unlike anything they've seen. Pulled up to the surface from the dust. Even if it takes 100,000 years, I'll be enough. Shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. One of a kind, a timeless design, catching your eye. Shine, unlike any other, something undiscovered, left to crystallize. Give it time, put it under pressure, hold it to the fire, a diamond in disguise, meant to shine. Meant to shine. Meant to shine.
Okay guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.